Assalamualaikum. Good morning, my lovely students. How are you all? This is your SST class, and I am your teacher, Ms. Yasin Fatma. Okay, it's time for the intro class. As you all know that you are promoted to grade 4, and this is your SST class 4. So we have to give you some introduction about the contents, about the reviews, about the units, etc. And as we know that this is the Sati Publications SST book here. First, we are going to take the quick review of the contents and the learning outcomes. Here comes your unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the first unit is globe and map skill, in which in today's lesson I will give you the intro of the globe and map skills. Then on the later on, when we have another class, we will do the exercise or the question and answers related to this chapter. Okay, and this globe and map skill, first of all, got to know what is globe and what is map, and what is the difference between the globe and the map, and the elements of map, in which you can explain and list the elements of the map. And you have to also learn the large scale and the small scale, in which you have some significant features. So first of all, we have to read the chapter thoroughly, then we will understand what is globe and what is map. Okay class, get ready for the unit 1, globe and map skills. Okay, take out your books and open your books. First of all, students, you got to know the definition of the globe. As you all see in the pictures, this is the globe. Globe is like a sphere or a circle. This is a man-made thing, and you can see that a globe is a small spherical model of earth. Okay, it's a small मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ जो कि हमारी ज़मीन है, इसका एक छोटा सा आप स्पेरिकल मॉडल कह लीजिए, एक व्यू कह लीजिए, जिससे हम इसको रोटेट करके हम हर दुनिया के हर हिस्से को मेंशन कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कौन सी जगह कहाँ है. द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप्स ऑफ ग्लोब्स आर पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल. Political globes show countries and physical globes show landscape like mountains and rivers. As you can see that in this spherical model of earth, you can see political globes जो हैं वो countries show करते हैं. ओके, और जो physical globes होते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी पहाड़, वादियाँ और समंदर, झील, rivers वगैरह हैं, उनको show करते हैं physical globes. Okay, after the definition of the globe, here is the some features of a globe. It's a three-dimensional man-made model of the earth. A globe is the three-dimensional man-made model of the earth. यानी कि ये मॉडल जो अर्थ का आपको दिखाया जाता है, इस स्फेरिकल बॉल, ये मैन मेड है, यानी ये इंसानों ने बनाई है. ओके, इस थ्री डायमेंशनल मतलब तीन तरफ से हम इसको रोटेट कर करके देख सकते हैं. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स ऑल द नेशंस. अब ग्लोब में आपको दुनिया के सारे नेशंस नज़र आएंगे. जोग्राफिकली सारी लैंडमार्क्स बॉडीज़ आपको नज़र आएंगी. इसमें आप अपनी जो आप जगह ढूंढना चाहेंगे वो जगह ढूंढ सकते हैं, वो रूट देख सकते हैं, चाहे वो सी रूट हो चाहे वो एयर रूट हो. सी रूट में आप शिप्स और जो याच के ज़रिए जो ट्रैवलिंग होती है वो हो जाएगी, और एयर रूट में ऑब्वियसली हेलीकॉप्टर और aeroplane, in which we can locate many things like continents, countries, oceans, rivers, cities, and etc. Okay, as you all know that what are the features of the globe, I can repeat once again. A globe is three-dimensional man-made model of the earth. It represents all nations and other landmark bodies geographically. It is used to locate place, sea route, air route, etc. We can locate continent, countries, ocean, rivers, cities, mountains, hills, etc. Okay students. Okay, after globe, we take a quick review of what is maps. Maps is a surface on a flat piece of paper. एक पेपर लीजिए आप, उसमें आप मैप्स ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं, मैप्स प्रिंट भी कर सकते हैं, प्रिंट हुए मैप्स भी आपको मिलते हैं। एक मैप्स जो होता है वो पीस ऑफ पेपर पे होता है, और ग्लोब जो होते हैं हमारे पास वो एज ए स्फेरिकल होते हैं, सर्कल में होते हैं। इट इज़ बेसिकली अ ड्राइंग ऑफ द होल और अ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन द फ्लैट सरफेस। as I said, it is basically a drawing on the paper, on the piece of paper, which you can print as well and you can draw as well. Maps help us to locate places easily. मैप्स हमें क्या मदद करता है, हम कहीं भी आना जाना चाहें, जिस चीज़ का हमें रूट नहीं मालूम होता, तो हम मैप ओपन करके अपनी मौजूदा जगह पे पहुंच सकते हैं जहां हमें जाना है, द रूट where we have to go. Okay, there are area maps that help us to locate a place in an area. We can have so many maps. We can have the map of where we live and where we have to reach. So in the between, what are the routes, what where you have to go, in which street you have to enter, you can locate it through map. Okay, it's a very common thing. You can easily go through the Google map. It's very good application and a useful application. Okay, as you can see this, what is the difference between globe and a map? As I can see you, what is the difference between globe and map? As you can see this is your book page number. It's a unit 1 globe and map skill. First of all, I show you a globe and then a map. See what's the difference between a globe is a spherical ball and map is drawn on the piece of the paper. Okay, a globe is the model of the earth. It has the same shape as the earth. As you all know that earth is round and the globe is also round. Has no distortion in shape, size, distance and direction. These are all shown accurately on it. In the globe, we don't have any distortion in shape, size or distance. Whatever in this world is absolute measuring, you have to locate it. As you can see that there is no distortion in shape, size and direction. They are all shown accurately on it. As you see that in this globe we have accurate measurement of everything, everything. And as you compare this to map, a map displays a specific area of land through two-dimensional descriptions. Describes certain features of an area through a visual display, can be of many different types according to the requirement. In this way, you can say that whenever I need to go one place to another, you can see the map. Okay, you can see that it is based on area to area or city to city. Then if you want to go Karachi to Lahore, you can. As I shown you the difference between the globe and the map. Okay, students. Now this is the intro class of SST, the unit number 1, globe and map skill. Later on, we have to cover the other topics of this chapter and the exercise and the question answers related to this chapter in the copy. As you can see this in these two pictures, working with maps helps us find direction, location, plane, land layouts, assess distance and measure areas. Maps are of two different types. First is the map of the earth. As you can see this blue area is covered with the water and this green area is covered with the population. Okay, the above map shows the earth and its distribution of land and water, as I mentioned it. And this is the map of the Pakistan, in which we have, as you can see there's a distribution of provinces. Okay, and this is our border countries. This is the Pakistan map. As you can see this is China, this is India, this is Afghanistan, and here we have Iran, and this is the Arabian Sea. And the blue part describe the water and the colorful part describe the distribution of land. Okay, this is two types of map. The first is the earth map and the second is the map of Pakistan. Okay, on the next class we will discuss. Okay, in our next class we will be discussed about this map. What is this map? This is describing a map of somewhere, so we can discuss it later. So be there in the next class. I am waiting for you all. This is enough for today. This is the intro class of unit number 1 of SST grade 4. So I am signing off. Inshallah, see you again. Allah Hafiz.